All right, in this video we are going to learn about conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is a really powerful tool that's kind of hidden in Google Sheets. But what it allows you to do is to color code things based on a set of parameters. So perhaps when somebody gets a certain score, maybe below 80%, you want it to mark that color, that score with the color yellow to say, oh, this kid is struggling. So you can color code. This is something really useful for visualizing map scores or any kind of assessment data. So it can be really helpful. In this case, we're going to be using it to mark and hits and misses. So to do conditional formatting, what we're going to do is we're going to want to set up the area that we want to change the formatting. So we're going to make that, again, A1 to J10. So we're going to highlight all of these. And then right-click and scroll down to conditional formatting. The conditional formatting rules are going to pop up over here. And there's a lot of different parameters you can put in. And again, the nice thing is you don't have to know code or anything like that. So we can click on this, and there's all of our different options of how we can change, of how we can affect this. So what we're going to do for ours is if the text is exactly O, then we want that O marks a hit, so that we want it to turn red. So you'll notice over here that immediately that O turns red because it's got an O in it. Now I can add another rule, and if the text is exactly X, I want it to turn white. And you'll notice over here it turns white. I can click Done, and I can close this up. And now anytime I type an O or an X, it's going to automatically change the color for me to mark the color that we've preset. So that's how conditional formatting works. Really, really powerful tool. I definitely recommend spending some time and playing with it. It's really, really great. Again, for looking at data, it's a really helpful tool, and it saves you the time of having to go through and color coding it yourself. So take a look at conditional formatting.